She wants to look her best in your presence. She hopes that you will notice. She hopes you appreciate her efforts. She gets jealous or protective. If a girl shows signs of jealousy, shows protectiveness when other girls are around you, it's a strong indication that she wants your attention. She may become more attentive. She may become possessive. She even slightly competitive. To ensure that she stands out in your eyes, she initiates plans or hangouts. When a girl wants your attention, she will take the initiative to make plans. She suggests hanging out. She wants to spend more time with you. She creates opportunities for deeper connections. She remembers small details. If a girl remembers small details about your conversations, if she remembers things you've mentioned in the past, it's a sign that she pays close attention to you. She wants your attention. Remembering these details